Brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast. Our live Skycam looking west shows some dark clouds, but that's primarily because there's no sun shining on them and no rainfall out of those clouds. You can see them right here on our satellite picture right there. And again, they're working across the area, but no meaningful rainfall at all. Friday night football looks pretty good. Those clouds actually cooling us off a little faster this evening on down into the low 80s. So the weather pattern is such that we have our front dying out in the Gulf, and then moisture from Sergio coming into New Mexico and North Texas. Ahead of that, it's going to be very warm here over the weekend, warm to hot, while it's snowing in the upper Midwest. But the cold front that's coming on Monday is right up here, and it is amassing just north of the Canadian border. And that is a big time deal because the temperatures behind that are in the teens tonight, and that's going to drive straight south and undercut this southwesterly flow aloft that you can see right here with the flow coming in off of the Pacific. So ahead of that front, it's actually pretty mild in the 50s and 60s in the Rockies compared to much of this week where it was in the 30s. And there it is. There's the drop in the jet stream. In the meantime, we don't have enough moisture for any meaningful rain, but with the high pressure to the east of us, we'll see a return flow off the Gulf and an isolated shower here in the morning, and then the winds pick up into the afternoon. So anything we have tomorrow will be moved up towards San Antonio, well inland. So the front this weekend will be up here in the Colorado Rockies and the Central Plains. It'll be hot with increasing humidity here and wind out ahead of it, while the Sergio moisture will be in North Texas. And then on midday Monday, that front comes blasting through with much cooler air, rain and wind. And the rain is because warm air aloft will override it. And so we're going to have several days of overrunning that will take place most of next week, believe it or not. This future tracker weather pattern is very interesting because it shows the high pressure to the south of us. So here comes the cold air. It sits on us and then runs into this southwesterly flow. This also ends our hurricane season. There may be another storm or two down the road elsewhere, but not here. With this westerly flow in the atmosphere, we are done with the 2018 hurricane season. Future tracker shows again a stray shower in the morning and then pushing inland with that sea breeze in the afternoon. Sunday, the same thing. Again, just a stray shower. The real rain comes with the front here on Monday, and some of it is definitely going to be heavy. Here is a look at your NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, and it looks like this across the region as we will have temperatures in the 70s here overnight, 76 tonight, 88 tomorrow, 90 on Sunday.